Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you want to open up settings, then scroll all the way down till you find about phone, tap on it, and from here you will see version, and under it it says tap 7 times to enter developer mode. So tap on it 7 times, then you get a message you are now in developer mode. You can go back and you'll find the developer options and additional settings if I remember correctly. So yep, there they are, developer options, and tap on it, and from here you have access to all the developer options. Now I would not really mess around with settings that you don't really know what they're doing, considering some of them might, well, for instance, reset your device like OEM unlocking. If I were to enable that, that would basically perform a reset of the device. So make sure that you know what you're enabling or disabling here from this list. But yeah, that is how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.